Konsehalo, kalinisan, chairman ng pagbabago na sa atin yan. Disiplina may chief, kalusugan may ministro. Tanod tayo na talino kung nanais ninyo. Kung nais mong marating, dapat meron kang gawin. Ang lahat may tungkulin. Sino pa ang aangkin? Pilipinas natin, Pilipinas, bayan natin, Pilipinas, bukas natin, Pilipinas, hawak natin, hawak natin.
SM has formed SM Cares, the umbrella corporate social responsibility program of SM Prime in addressing the special needs of the Filipinos. With SM Care, we have designed specific committees which focuses on the different concerns of the community. So with this, SM supports Pilipinas Natin in their advocacy of volunteerism. With this, SM Mall, through the leadership of our President, Mr. Han C., and our founder, Mr. Henry C., remain committed in working towards uplifting the lives of the Filipino mall growers.
Gusto kong i-impart sa inyo na ang pagiging volunteer, hindi siya isang gawain dahil parang inutusan kayo. Isa siyang urge na gagawin mo dahil gusto mo at dahil kailangan.
Let us not forget to carry with us the inspirations that our ancestors instilled in us. Let us carry out their dreams of a progressive individuality, of a preserved culture, and many other things we can certainly work out to happen. And in behalf of the SK Federation of Davao City, we are fully supporting the Pilipinas Natin.
Ako, ito po ang taya ko sa bayan. Sana po ay samahan niyo ako na magtaya na kahit sobrang simpleng bagay lang. This is the perfect time to start a change, and this is the best time to act.
Where does change start? It starts from within. It starts from you. So you make a conscious decision, you make a commitment to do something, diba? And you stick to that. You gather enough discipline, you become determined, you become driven. Pag nagtulungan tayong lahat, together we can create a beautiful and wonderful nation. At yon ang Pilipinas natin.
The problem in this country cannot be solved by one institution, not even government. And it cannot be solved by one person, even if he is the president. The role of President Noy in all of us, he inspired that it is possible that pagbabago will happen in this country. The possibility. Beyond the possibility, it's up to us to make it happen.
Importante yung volunteerism because kung wala yung mga tao sa likod ng local chief executive, hindi magpa-prosper yung isang city. Volunteer ako, volunteer kami lahat. Nasa likod niya kami and we will follow our president kung saan niya gusto